Hey, what's going on? Matthew Tamer with LearnJoomlaFast.com. Are you looking for an extension for SEO for Joomla? Listen, if you're trying to get your website so that search engines like Google and Bing and others can be able to find it, I have the perfect solution for you. And this one is called 4SEO. It's an extension that allows you to be able to connect your website, right, to Google, to Bing. Now, one of the reasons why I love this, I'm gonna go over a specific feature, something that they just integrated that's new, that is a game changer. But if you're looking for an SEO extension, you want to make sure your site gets submitted to sitemaps, right, to get indexed and get crawled by the robots, to make sure you don't have duplicate pages and things like that. This extension is really great. Now they've done a lot of work on this, right? So you go to Weeblr.com and you can be able to purchase this for SEO. So let's take a look here at some of the features they have. It works with Google or Bing. As you can see here, they have a clean interface. It can crawl your site, the background. It can figure out automatically the multiple URLs. A lot of sites deal with this. So you're building a website and you close the page and you don't realize that you have multiple URLs that are exactly the same. This is going to help you to solve that problem. And also you can be able to collect data at once. It's fast and it's easy on your server. You know, I've had websites or extensions where I install them and they're so heavy that it actually destroyed sites. Well, not this one. You can do your metadata. It replaces like your metadata, your sitemap. Listen, sitemaps are vital because when you have a sitemap, you can submit that to search engines and they can crawl your site. You don't have to do that every day. Every time that you update your site, because you have a sitemap, it is going to automatically do that for you. They have a structured data, social network sharing, redirection. Redirection is the key. Sometimes you're building a website and you delete a page, but then you forget to redirect it. Well, people go on that page and they can't find the content. Well, with this, it can be able to help you take care of that. And you get a lot of details too in terms of connecting with Google Search Console. This is the feature that I'm so excited about, that you don't have to go to Google Search Console anymore. You can go directly on your dashboard, right? And you can see how your site is performing, your keywords, the page, the ranks, and all that stuff. This is really great because now you have everything that you need in one package. Everything is included in there. You can customize your page title, your description, and the admin section. So I see a lot of website owners that they just don't work on the SEO and they wonder why their sites don't get any traffic at all. Your site is not going anywhere because you didn't do any type of work. Well, with this, so you can work on the back end of the site, or you can also work on the front end. And it utilizes the Google structured data, the rich snippets. And let's see here, they have social network sharing. This is another key thing. You can allow people to share this through social networks, and you can use the open graph and the Twitter card on the back end. We're going to take a look there in just a moment. And XML sitemap generator. As I mentioned before, you want to make sure that your site is being crawled, right? Well, this does that for you, and because it's connected to, your site, to Joomla console. Google Search Console, everything is done on the back end. So I just wanted to kind of go over some of this stuff here just so you see what the feature is. But I want you to go to Weeblr.com and you can be able to get this extension. Now let's take a look and we're going to see how this thing looks on the back end, right? So once you get it installed, I'm going to show you what it looks like once you get it installed on your site. Let's go over here to the dashboard, right? Let's take a look at this. So now this is the dashboard. Site analysis done. Google Speed didn't get to do that yet. Site maps are done. What else? So this is what I was talking about before. This is a major game changer. It shows you the Google search results overview. It shows you how your content is ranking and the click rate. And it shows you how it does on devices as well. So when you click on that, it's going to show you how it's performing on tablets, on desktop, and then the mobile phone. Now, this is going to help you to optimize and make sure that whatever device that is being in, whatever changes that needs to be made, you can work on that as well. And there's some other features here that you can, the site maps, you can check the SEO rules. Let me see what else I want to go over. Custom site map, the integration, we talked about that, the analytics, the social. So listen, this extension has so much to offer. I use this on my websites, and I recommend this to you to use on your websites as well.